It was probably 2023 though. You are not Taylor Swift.
I know. It's pretty sad.
You're not Ed Sheeran.
Stop. You're not Mikey Way.
Yeah, I am. I am Mikey Way.
You try.
I do try.
It's too hard.
Too hard. That's like me when I see Mikey Way.
Honestly. We're done.
What do you mean, honestly?
Oh my gosh.
Do you...
This is random, but this is for my friends. You want to see it? Isn't it your sale?
What? Oh yes, that is peak.
I said, what if he gets drop kicked back to Asia and she cut the video?
What? Guys, on a scale of 1 to...
0.
No, on a scale of 1 to the
5.
ultimate Mikey Way, how much Mikey Way am I?
0.
No! Who do you know who's more Mikey Way than me?
What?
Name one person who's more Mikey Way than me, other than Mikey
Well, I
Way
don't know
himself.
anyone.
Exactly. I am the most Mikey Way person you know.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.